Leah has been looking at all these hot dog stands. They've been tempting her. But right now we're gonna have something better than a hot dog. We're in search of the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Levan Bakery, the original. Wow. Are those chocolate chip cookies? Huh? Yeah. How long did we walk? Like 2 miles? My gosh, I'm sweaty. Sweating in New York here, so we're gonna get a chocolate chip cookie, but first we're gonna get water. We're here, Levan Bakery. This supposedly is the best chocolate chip cookie in New York City. We'll see about that. Oh, you're just going right in. Look at this. Wow. This is the famous Levan chocolate chip cookie. Let me show you the inside of this. Oh my gosh. I've had this once in my life, but it was never fresh and it was never warm.
Can you tell mommy I got cookie?
Yes, I will tell mommy. So this is what Leah really wanted for her snack today. Every day we're here in New York, whenever we go on daddy-daughter dates, we always do one kind of snack. And so today, chocolate chip cookie. One thing that makes Levan Bakery's cookies unique. Oh my God. First off, it's crunchy on the outside. It's got a golden brown edge to it that almost is crispy, I would say. It's got a butteriness to it that is amazing. But the inside, even though it's thick, it's not cakey, and it's chewy and gooey. The chocolate chip is melted. My gosh. Just look at my face right now. This is satisfaction at its highest. My gosh. Hey, is that a good cookie? Are you glad we came here? Normally I'd get a coffee with this. A coffee would be so good with this. Oh, you got a coffee?
Got a coffee.
Austin was the one that said we should come here. As I mentioned, they're really thick cookies. And the question you would have if you're a cookie lover like me is it still gooey? Is it still chewy? Is it not cakey? Because I'm not a cakey cookie guy. I know when you get a cakey cookie at home, it's because you did something wrong with the mix or you put too much of a certain ingredient. This though, bomb.
Wow.
It's very bomb. Huh. Whenever I make cookies at home, that is the balance I'm trying to strike. I want my chocolate chip cookie to be that gooey chewiness on the inside. I don't want it to be so soft that one, it's falling apart, but two, that you still don't get that crunch. That is the magic of this cookie in my opinion, is that you get that soft chewiness, but the crackly, crunchy, buttery, crispy outside exterior, it's a very nice, very delicious balance. This might be in my top 3 now. Austin was telling me about this place, and he told me why it's so thick is because I believe this is one of the founders right here. She was a swimmer, and they did outdoor swimming, so they needed a lot of calories to help them stay warm. I think these are them. But yeah, this is them in the New York Times from a small bakery, a virtual mountain of cookie. Since 1995, I think almost 30 years, and we're in the original location. Oh, don't put that on there. Hey. But because they need a lot of calories to sustain their energy and keep them warm, they made their cookies really thick. I don't want to take away from Levan Bakery's moment here, but tell me in the comments so that I know in the future, wherever I travel, where is the best chocolate chip cookie in your opinion? What's the best elements of a chocolate chip cookie? So this is about 2 miles away from our hotel. I love walking around New York City, but right now it's getting humid because it is late spring. Now, I tried Levan Bakery's chocolate chip cookie a while back, but it wasn't fresh and it wasn't warm. It makes a huge difference, especially because it's so thick. That gooiness, you want to get it not when it's right out of the oven, because I know baking chocolate chip cookies, you want to let it sit a little bit. 10 out of 10, solid, no question about it. top 3 best chocolate chip cookies is overtaken my other top 3. I want to know from you guys, what's in your top 3? What is it about a chocolate chip cookie that's important to you that you love? What you don't?